day. Sometimes it's rain, sometimes it's snow, sometimes the sun may hide, sometimes it shows. I'm just like that. I'm starting to own that life's a whole lot better when I let it go. Where it's gonna go, I'm hard on myself too often when I'm not achieving every goal. But the ground does not always soften. Sometimes you must wait for things to grow.